The first concern of this challenge is to address air pollution. Reducing air pollution is just what our unique no-switching transmission accomplishes. A transmission is the mechanisms for transmitting power from the motor to the wheels. This is where our solution lies. Here we see an automotive transmission. It is complicated and expensive and overdue for a new approach. Ours is a better way. We combine a CVT, continuously variable transmission, with a differential. We only have to change the distance between the pulleys of the CVT to control the output speed. Both CVTs and differentials have been used for many years. By doing this, air pollution is reduced to a strict minimum. The motor is kept running all the time, but running at minimum pollution. The driver does not have to switch gears. Stepping on the accelerator increases the speed of the motor and the speed of the vehicle. We move from the blue line at the bottom to the red line. Our solution can effectively double the power produced by an electric motor. The electric motor had never has to work at constant torque. It can be kept running at top speed all the time. It is easy to combine a gas engine and an electric motor and keep both of them running all the time at maximum speed. All of these advantages can be combined with any other application or proposal.